In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the process of printing a shipping label for your orders effectively and efficiently. Whether you're handling your first order or your 100th, learning how to generate and print a shipping label is an essential skill every online business owner needs. So let's dive in and walk through this process together, step by step. First, you'll want to access your commerce platform. Once you're logged in, head over to the orders section. This is where you'll find a comprehensive list of all the orders your business has received. It's important to regularly check in on this area to ensure you're staying up to date with your order fulfillment. With the orders page open, take a moment to review the list and find the specific order that needs a shipping label. Click on the order to open up its details, where you'll find every bit of information associated with that transaction. This includes the customer's contact information, the items purchased, and of course the shipping address. Make sure this address is correct because you'll be using it to create the shipping label. Errors in addresses can lead to delays or misplaced packages, which can affect customer satisfaction. Now, it's time to print the shipping label. Within the order's details, you'll see an option labeled Print Shipping Label. Click this to start the process. The system will guide you through several prompts to ensure the label is accurate and that it contains all necessary information for your shipping provider. You might be asked to verify the shipping address, choose a shipping service, or edit package details like weight and dimensions. It's crucial to fill these fields accurately to avoid any additional charges or issues later on. Pay close attention to any additional options your platform might offer during these prompts. Some systems allow you to choose extra features like tracking numbers or insurance, which can add an extra layer of security for valuable shipments. Selecting the right options here can significantly impact the overall shipping experience for both you and your customer. Once you've completed these prompts, your system will generate the label. Take a moment to review the final preview, ensuring everything looks correct, and then confirm the action to print. It's usually best to print on adhesive shipping label paper, as this simplifies the process of affixing the label to your package. Most office supply stores carry label paper if you don't have any on hand. Alternatively, you can print on regular paper and secure it to your package with clear packing tape. And there you have it. You've successfully printed a shipping label and are ready to get this order on its way to your customer. This process, while straightforward, is an essential part of maintaining a smooth and efficient e-commerce operation. Thanks for watching, and happy shipping!